the electronic industry. And so a lot of great gadgets in terms of wearable devices and Internet of Things, and also health monitoring device, and of course the electric car vehicles. That's exciting. And so there's a lot of new product coming up. This is very exciting. And then secondly, very important is a couple of major trends is happening that drive semiconductor development. Many of my friends in the VC have been backing a lot of opportunity in this whole area. Social media, mobility, Internet of Things, cloud computing. This is just the beginning of cloud computing, and then the huge big data opportunity. And so it's exciting. And my two boys that are studying in engineering, they both are focusing on big data opportunity in their research. It's a very exciting time. Just a couple of things to highlight. Mobile, everything is mobile, and it's really exciting. I carry 4 in my bodies, and this is a thing that is just really driving a lot of application. I'm excited. Mobile traffic is growing at 66% per year, and if you look at the last 5 years, it's about 13-time increase, and there's no stopping to that. And so this is a huge, tremendous growth from data, from video, the communication, that the traffic is just tremendous growth. Social media. How many of you have social media account? Just raise your hand. Great, this is a lot of here. And how many have like 3 social media account? Great, this is good. And so it's everywhere about connectivity, and it's very hard for me to communicate my 2 boys unless I go to their Twitter or there are even the Korean social media that I can connect with my older son. It's very exciting. And you look at Facebook, it's over 1 billion user and registered user, and then less known like in China called Sina Weibo, and then also the Tencent Weibo, and each one of them have more than 500 million users, and so it's growing like crazy. And it's very hard for me to even communicate teenage kids or college graduate kids in China if I'm not part of the Sina Weibo to connect with them. So this is a very exciting opportunity here. Cloud, and this is just a beginning. And the Amazon, a friend of mine that on the board of Amazon, he told me that every day they put out capacity more than first 5 years, every day. And to just meet up the traffic, the requirement, they're building huge data centers. Same thing with Apple in North Carolina. It's a huge data center. And so it's just building more and more big data center to build that. So this big data, social media, internet is really driving a lot. So electronic is everywhere. And it's so exciting for me to be in this industry. And the interesting part is if you look at some of the applications, from servers, from car, 50 million car per year, and then of course the tablets, more than 100 million a year, and it's become a very, very big platform now. And then you look at Internet of Things, 50 billion units talking about in 2020. Aren't you get excited about it? And when the TAM market is so big in each platform, it's an exciting time. The interesting part of it, semiconductor, the silicon, system on the SoC, I call it, is in every single device, and many of them, from not just mobile, tablets, and automotive, home, and wireless devices. This is just everywhere. This is just exciting, that driving the industry growing. Hopefully, what I'd like to see from 300 billion, continue to grow to 500 billion, and I want to be part of that growth and to help the innovation for all this opportunity. Cadence is here to help to design some of those great products. A couple of areas that we are driving some of the development. First of all, we team up with our partner ARM to drive the first Codex A57 64-bit processor core at the 16-nanometer fab, and so this is something that we are driving the leadership. Earlier they emphasized, we announced A15, and then now we're announcing the A57. And this is for the server in a data center application. This is an exciting time. We thank you for the partnership with ARM. This is critical. This is exciting time to drive that. The other thing is, it's very important. A lot of chip is SoCs, system on the chip. And it's very important that we really provide all the key IP, quality IP, and silicon-proven IP to you so that you can design quicker to the market. So first of all, you look at the red one. This is Cadence IP that we already have, and through our announced acquisition, Cosmic Circuit, and that we're providing a lot of connectivity and analog IP. And then we are very pleased to announce we completed the acquisition of Tensilica. And this is the configurable, programmable data path processing units. This is a very exciting piece, and then we work in conjunction with ARM in the center to drive that. And it's very exciting. And I want to announce today, going to be coming up the announcement. We are acquiring, we just announced, Alvatronics in Poland, really focus on MIPI, display, USB 2.0, 3.0, and storage IP. We're just delighted and have that very powerful team to join us, and then serving the 600 customers they already have, and we're going to continue to expand that. So as you can tell, we have a very good suite of IP portfolio to support you in your design, and so that you can time to market can be faster, and so that you can really depend on us and count on us to support you on that. So this is the SoC IP that we're going to offer. And then most important, I think, this is, we're providing the tool, from Silicon Realization Group to the SoC IP, and then all the way to the system. Some of you are very familiar with our Palladium, the verification suite that we have to provide you. So, we can really provide you a lot of design tool and IP to, developing the best product that you can imagine. And then this conference is really about you. And so please enjoy the conference, and then we'd like to hear your feedback. With that, I want to thank you for kick off today's event. And let me introduce Keith Clark, VP Embedded Processor Group of ARM, to tell you the connectivity and connected world that ARM is empowering.